Welcome back to the channel for another outing, mooching about with Dave. You know, it makes sense. So we're up in Borrowdale Valley again, just near ASHNESS Bridge car park, and we're going to take a short walk with me dodgy knee up to a little place which will all become clearer shortly. Okay, see you in a tinnitus. Only a short walk. Look at that, acorns. The acorns have fallen. And I'm the antique, acorn antique. Now, we're not quite at our camping spot yet, but that one might do. But I prefer somewhere a little bit higher up, which we're going up that way. I think I'm nearly there. Pushing through the heather, there it is. Yes, indeed. That will do me for the night. And Stowy on the wold, I've got it to myself. Bagsy! My Bagsy here! Let's do this properly. What you do is take your glasses off first and then throw it up in the air. Well, there you have it, tentacle fans. It's a cheap Argos one. It pops up quick, but we all wish that still happened, didn't we? It's the Highlander something or other, to be precise. But hey, cheap and cheerful. It's not going to rain tonight, so I think I'll be fine. Bags of space in there. I've got my insulated mat and my inflatable bed. There's little pockets here for your objet d'art and all and sundry. Is that a spider in already? Or a fly? On there, ventilation. I'll be just fine. I think I'm pretty much set up. Right, I think I've got the wood situation sorted. The tentacle is up. I've got to go and get some wood before it gets dark. Now there's a termite mound there, which do not disturb because they are big ants. I've seen these last time I was here. Oh. I don't know if they come out so nice. Oh no, that's Batman, isn't it? Not Ant-Man. Boom, boom, boom. You can see some wood on my way up. Rotten luck. Summertime, and I did see some wood lying on the ground. It's just twigs, I think, which will do nicely. It's really, I'm not cooking tonight on the stove. I'm going to use my gas stove. This is really just to keep the midges away. Absolute brutes they are. Someone's bright idea. If you see me doing this all the time, it's because there's been a midge on me. I want to get one on me. I'll just start itching. I think there's more on me. It's psychosomatic. I can say. No, I can't say. Fuck off, ants. Shh. No swearing. The other guests. So I'll be getting attacked by ants and midges now on both fronts. So if you want to play a game of rock, paper, fire, I think fire will win. Well, I'm up for it. I wasn't even going to come today. I just thought, I'm not in work tomorrow. It was a nice day. There's no football on. I could have edited my previous video, but I thought, you know, I've got this one in my head. It's a nice little small walk from the car park, really, so you can bring a bit more gear if you want, as you'll see later. And he's on a scouting mission. He'll go back now and tell everyone. What they do, to communicate, ants, they just fart in each other's faces and they go, oh, I know that smell, that means there's someone camping within 10 yards of our nest. Very clever ants.
Oh, are they? Oh, did the ants invent the wheel then? Of Pythagoras?
Oh! That will do though. That will do. And it has a self-sealing valve if it pops off like it did. Stick your tongue out. I think that'll do. Right, shiny happy people holding hands. We are, it's just gone 6. I think I'll have me scrant. We're having Princess Anne again. God, she gets about a bit, doesn't she, Princess Anne? Now she's gone for the vegan style now, because he's just trying to get on the bandwagon, I suppose. She's always looking for little niches, is our Princess Anne. I think Eugenie put it onto her. Had something to do with the size of her eyes, I don't know. It's chunky vegetable curry, and it's vegan. It's got the V on it. So what have we got Princess Anne to thank for anyway, I suppose? I don't know. Weird hairstyle. That weird bun she has. She's never changed it for 50 years. The hairdresser must be made up with her. She goes, all right, Anne, we can fit you in 2 o'clock Friday afternoon. What would you like? Just this bun, please. Spot on. That'll do with me. You get a little bit of tousling. Pull out all the corgi hairs, obviously. They'll get stuck in the back there, and you're done. Brilliant. Oh yeah. Right, I think this is going quite well. I brought a wooden spoon this time because it annoys me having a metal spoon scraping on a metal pan. Silly things like that just kind of get on your nerves. Noisy eaters and all that like. Right, we've only got Home Bargains whole grain rice ready in 2 minutes. Home Bargains. Well, you only go in for I don't know, some washing up liquid. The next minute you spent 35 quid on all kinds. Oh. You've actually got a t-shirt you can buy. I think it says something like I only come out for a loaf of bread, something like that. I think we're nearly done. Just had the call from the palace. Said yeah, it should be 10 minutes. There you go. Hot and steamy. Gonna have to watch me eating. Oh, that's hot. Well, yeah, it's just been. Jesus. But yeah, if you're out camping, especially with the YMCA, always try and get something hot inside you. That's what I say. Not bad. Not bad. I can feel the temperature starting to drop now. I think it's got 4 degrees for the morning. Better than the 3 degrees, I suppose. Or is it 2 degrees? Isn't one gone? Anyway, you go and make a cup of tea and go watch the commercials or adverts while I finish off this delicious royal feast. I always say no camping trip should be without an occasional table lamp. Oh, very IKEA. Right, all done, lights out. Hey, hey, IKEA occasional table lamp. Oh, yes, I was pissing again in the night. Oh, it's because it was cold or what? It gets right up here. Oh, let's get that Brewster's Millions on. What's I've got? That's my breakfast. Jordan Henderson blueberry and apple. Fruisley. Not bad. So over there is Cat Bells, it's called. I think, was it about 4 years ago? They did light up the lakes and everyone got a head torch or a torch and walked up the path, so all the way up, and he stretched it out, so there was someone all the way to the bottom with a head torch, and that at sort of, I don't know, was it 11 o'clock, they all switched them on, so it lit up the lakes for some charity in Tibet, which is quite random. Anyway, I'll show you the picture now. Doop. Viking gangulies. I've all packed away. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm just going to show you a little viewing stage that someone had built. Looks a good few years old anyway. Over the little fence, and then a little short walk. There are ants everywhere. I'll see if I can get a picture of one. Got little redbacks on them. I bet you they're called redbacks. I reckon if you got on the wrong side of them, they'll I don't know, they'll be knocking around at your door, I suppose, threatening to eat your firstborn. Anyway, little sort of view. Someone's put a chair. I mean, you can see why. Yeah, because you like looking at this barbed wire. Yeah, I'm over there. I suppose when this was built there wasn't as many trees, so you would have a spectacular view. That one got tired of waiting for the view. Oh, I'm sitting down to enjoy my holiday. I'll bring the streamer up next time. Just take the tops off them. Yeah, you could probably sit here all day. Bring your scran and that. I could do that. Beats going to work on a Monday. So that's it, all packed away. Leave no Spencer Tracy. Whew. And I shall go and have a little look at ASHNESS Bridge.